Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is Asana and the second one is Notion. In this video we will go through some pros and cons, through pricing plans, and obviously I'll tell you more about these two management tools. And in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Asana. Asana is an online team collaboration and workflow management tool. Organize your work in the best way possible to follow tasks through and be able to avoid obstacles to meet deadlines. Asana's boards let you visualize your work and arrange all your relevant emails and files into one place. Use Asana's portfolios to monitor the status of all your projects and keep your strategic initiatives on track and easily report on progress. Its custom fields allow you to keep track of info important to the team and share the information with the right people. Commonly used projects can be turned into templates to ensure your team workflow moves faster and smoothly. Asana's web interface is efficient and responsive, and it can be integrated to other collaboration tools like Slack. We can use easily Zapier for that kind of integrations. So for example, you can integrate Asana even with Notion. You can integrate it with, for example, Salesforce and many more. Asana is providing online support and is meant to be for small, medium or large businesses. So it's not very well suited for freelancers as well. Also, their app can be installed both in Windows and Mac. You can try Asana for free for 30 days if you sign in or go to Asana. As you can see, I already did, so I'm about to show you some Asana's features. And as you can see, you can really go horizontal or vertical, use many boards, automate the work, and also integrate it with so many other programs. We can now check the features that key features are in here, resources, and of course pricing. In pricing, we have three options. First one is basic, where you are not charged anything, and it's basically some kind of trial. So you have unlimited essentials, 3 project viewers, basic workflows, basic reporting, security essentials, and community support. Then premium, which is $10.99 per user per month bill annually, or if you choose to go monthly, which is not that it's more expensive, obviously, so it's $13.49. As you can see, they are providing unlimited essentials, 4 project views, automated workflow, reporting, scaled security, and community support. Then the business, for teams and companies that need to manage work across initiatives, $24.99 monthly and $30.49 monthly and $24.99 annually. Sorry. So you have unlimited essentials, but project and portfolio views, advanced workflows, advanced reporting. So basically the top notch what Asana can provide you. It's even though it's expensive, it's really expensive, don't get me wrong, but it's very good, very advanced. So in Asana, inside you see on your left side your sidebar, and now you can micromanage the tasks. You can invite people into your task. I believe we're running something like dark mode or something, but you can play around with it. This video is just to show you how does it work. There are new tasks, you can always add new task. You can go into details, so you can undermark whatever you need in here. You can add a due date. Let's go till Monday, projects, and all the other stuff. You can also customize these drafts, show incomplete task or complete task. So it really looks easy. There's not like the visible smoke in it. And it's very, very solid application. So let's talk about Notion for a while. Notion is a comprehensive management tool that lets users write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It aims to eliminate the need for several tools by bringing multiple functionalities in one software. It offers features for notes and documents with lists made of checkable elements that also get struck out once checked. Notion even offers functionality to create and maintain a neat and categorized knowledge base for the team. Users can manage their task and project by using Kanban layout, layout board, calendar, and list views. Tasks and issues can be created and maintained, and their related info can be tracked. Statuses can be changed, and team collaboration is possible. The tool also has the functionality to manage spreadsheet and database. Users can also access several keyboard shortcuts using / commands. The UI is drag and drop friendly. Notion also embeds several other apps, including Google Sheets, Docs, Drive, Maps, Figma, InVision, Framer, Twitter, and more. Also, support is online. It's meant for small, medium businesses, individuals, and freelancers. So it's meant to be for smaller ones. Also, you can install it on Windows and Mac, and it's cheaper. It's way cheaper. You can obviously go with Notion Free, then Personal Pro, which is $4 per month. Unlimited file uploads, unlimited guest and 30-day version, $8, and then Enterprise. Enterprise used to be around $16 a month, but you get everything in there. So basically it's unlimited. Very nice ways to basically spend your money. There are solutions, resources, as you can see. It's really hard to compare them because Asana is meant to be for very bulky businesses, but you can use it even as a small man in business, you know. Even though Notion is for smaller companies, you can see the UI is very clear, very visible, and also really nice. I would go with Asana all the way, since we have some experience and we can't really say a bad word about it. But it's completely up to you. If you have any questions related to those two programs, please leave a like or leave a comment, and preferably subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.